Recipe is called Filetto al Barolo, and that is so filetto is like a beef tenderloin. So here is half of one. You can see kind of the way it's shaped, the tenderloin of, you know, you're going to get in, your filet mignon is coming from this part in here, your traditional filet mignon. So I've got a couple slices already pre-sliced here. They're about 1 inch thick. You can't see well. And I'm going to cook them up. So we start by browning. I've got the butter. We start by browning in butter. I've got butter already melted here. So I'm going to get that nice and hot while I dredge these in flour. The dredging in the flour will help to give a little bit of coating to the beef, as well as thicken the sauce a little bit during cooking. So just dredging here. Okay. I'm going to add these to the hot butter that's now bubbling. Okay. And I'm going to season with a little bit of salt. All right. I'm going to let these now brown for a moment on this side. And then okay. Quale parola uso? Quello che vuoi. Non lo so. Se già, non lo so. Sono tutti aperti. No, ce ne sono, mi sento male. Vabbè, ok. Okay.
Yes.
So now these are brown. I'm flipping here. You can see the butter is starting to brown a little bit on the sides. The meat's browned. So once again, we're adding in our Barolo. The alcohol will naturally burn off. And now the alcohol is burned off. So we're going to flip it again once. And I'm going to add just a touch of broth here to even out the flavors of the wine. Okay. To go on the side, I just have a few roast potatoes here that I'm just turning the pan on to heat them up. So these you just kind of want to flip every moment or so. The sauce is going to reduce a little bit. Just going to turn the heat down. And those will be ready in just a moment. Okay. I'm going to introduce the first Barolo.
Okay.
Anche lei sta cucinando. She's also cooking, I believe.
Okay.
So I imagine
we need to wait in. At the best exposition near my house, and are the older vigne. For Langhe Italy, we use the younger for this Barolo at the same exposition, but they are the older vigne. Barolo, more fruit, more powerful, because me and other winemaker, we have more cure for the grapes, for the vineyard, because the most work are not in the cellar, but in vineyard. For example, during the holding, one time during a year, I'm cleaning the wood. We don't have too much work because the wine are good. We don't need the work. It's naturally. We need the only waiting. Aiutami. Vai.
Okay, so finished up plating here. So we have our filet with our roasted potatoes. I can't, once again, I'm afraid to let the sauce run. But
Oh, that's beautiful.
here is our beef filet. Aldo?
Sempre io devo assaggiare.
Hey, bye-bye.
Dai.
You're the winemaker.
Vabbè, ma,
Tell me if I did a good job and served you well with your wine.
ma sicuro che l'hai fatto, è un aspetto stupendo. Buonissimo,
Grazie.
buonissimo. Quando è che la facciamo di nuovo una degustazione così?
I don't know, Sheila? No. So, yeah.
Perfetto.
You want to cook the filet to medium rare. Other than that, it just gets really tough and it's almost like a waste of meat a little bit. It's difficult for a chef to cook a filet more than medium rare. But I just finished off the sauce and then drizzled a little bit over it. Here, I like, polenta's good. Potatoes are really good. You want something that'll soak up the sauce after because the sauce is really good. And the Barolo just gives it a really nice flavor. This evening, I used the Serralunga Barolo.
Yes.
It was of the three, what my hand fell on. And I think it really added when I tasted it, it added a nice flavor to the dish and I'm happy with it. So yeah, were you cooking, Sheila? I didn't see while I was busy making sure I didn't overcook the filet.
I cooked the dish before the start of the VeroTalk.
Oh, okay.
Good recipe, yeah. I like that.